Kuzangpo and hello everybody. We're going to hike Phajoding today. We are at the starting point just above Mutithang. Just Chimi and myself. We're going to hike. Alright, let's go. 16 minutes since we started the hike, and there's a nice resting place here. Omanipe me home. To the left is way to Pumala, and this way is to Phajoding. There's also a map of the trail. The elevation is 3650 meters, hike duration 3 to 4 hours, distance 5.7. Alright, so we are here right now. So we have to walk all the way to Phajoding. There's also a quote from Lama Milarepa. My religion is to live and die without regret. We've been climbing for 40 minutes now, and a bit cloudy today, so as per the forecast it might rain, but we'll see. Okay, finally we can see the resting point up there. We're at the resting point. There's a stupa. We're gonna have some tea now and some refreshments. We couldn't sit in the canopy because there were some bees buzzing inside. We have suja and some kabze and zao. Nice view from the top. Alright, let's drink tea. Okay, we've had tea and snacks. We can see Phajoding up there. Maybe another 2 hours if we walk slow. I'm not sure. Oh, there's some butterflies here. Let's go. At this point we can hear lots of birds chirping and bees. What do you think about this natural setting? Chimi is the environmentalist here. Yeah.
You can smell the earth. This is very relaxing and calming.
Yeah. Very relaxing. Nice, fresh, clean air that we've missed for so long. Is this the smell that you've been longing for? You can smell the trees. Okay, environmentalist Chimi has found something here. What you got there?
There's a cut tree stub, and then you can see plants growing on the...
Like a natural flower pot.
Yes. Maybe you should take this idea back.
Okay, our environmentalist Chimi has made another discovery.
Both mosses and lichens are like the indicator that the environment is in pristine state.
There you go. You heard it from our environmentalist Chimi.
The lichens, they look like this. They're usually on stones, rocks, and then here we have found it on this twig.
Oh, so that's a lichen.
Yes.
Nice. Whose idea was it to go to Phajoding anyway? And there's still like another hour to go. Okay, as we're walking up, we found another quote from Lama Milarepa. Take the lowest place and you shall reach the highest. Okay friends, we are at another resting point here. From here there's a path that leads to Sanjagang, and we're going to take this path up to reach Phajoding. Peaceful spot here, little stream, and there's like a wooden tub. The water is so fresh, cold. Come here, come closer. Ah, it's so cold. Let's go. As we are getting closer to the monastery, we can definitely feel the shift in the air. It's much cooler here. Air is thinner. Okay, let's go. We're almost there now. Just before we reach the monasteries, there's another stupa. Our environmentalist Chimmy is here to welcome us, or welcome me. From the top, the script says Om Ami Dewari, Om Ami Dewari, Om Ami Dewari, Om Ami Dewari. Finally here. And you can see the monasteries up there. Maybe another 30 minutes or less walk from here. Ooh. Very fresh. Let's go. Alright, time is 12 noon. We're almost here. There's a sign that's requesting everybody to come in formal dress. Good thing we brought our Go and Kira. So this way will take us straight to Phajoding Monasteries first. And this one says way to Dungcho and Tujida. So we're going to take this route instead. We're gonna go straight to Tujida. Then we're going to walk down and visit the monasteries. Let's go. Look at all these shrubs and plants. Completely different from where we started. And you can see the monasteries just behind that hill over there. Yeah, let's go around this stupa. Look at that. That's the monastery on Moder. The monasteries were built by Phajoding Monastery in 13th century. It was raining a while ago, but the clouds have now moved down, and the sky is clearing up, but then it looks like it might rain again. So this shows how unpredictable the weather on the mountains can be. From here we can see Thimphu city down there, like a small town all the way down. We're just above the main monasteries. We saw some little monks. Oh, there's a steep climb here. We're gonna have to get to the top, and then we're going to find a spot and have our lunch. After the steep climb, we're finally here. There's a temple here, and then You can see the topmost temple, Thujida, up on that cliff. And there's also a sitting area here. That's where we'll go have our lunch. Right, we're finally having lunch. Good thing is the food is still warm. Yeah, and it tastes so much better because we're both so hungry. Okay, that's Thujida. We're going to go visit that temple first. Right, finally here. After hiking for almost 5 hours, we reached the summit or the top. That's Thujida, almost 4,000 meters above sea level. Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of this fresh jubchu. So cold. The temple's locked, so we're waiting for the Lama monk to open the door for us. I think he's coming. He's just over there. Look at that cliff. That tree is just growing out of that cliff, or maybe on it. We've just visited the temple. Now we're going to see a very sacred place. It's a very sacred place. This is where Lama Phajo saw Chinrizi, the Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara here. And up on that cliff we can also see a natural rock stupa just above there. And they say that there's also a lake inside. That's Latso. That's for Chinrizi Avalokitesvara's lake. So it's believed that any prayers and wishes will be granted here. The name of this place is called Thujida because Thuji comes from the Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. The whole place is built on this cliff, so that's why it's called Thujida. Just come to the place where there's Dukchu. These are sacred waters blessed by Lama Phajoding and Khandu Sonam Pere. It's said that if a child can't speak and is brought here and drinks this sacred water, then the child will start to speak. Okay. This one is Lama Gewashacha Stupchu. We've got this one. It's a really rocky cliff here. You can see the temple over there. This is Khando Sompete Stupchu. It's a very sacred place. Very rocky cliff. And here is Lama Phajoding Stupchu. Got this one too. So we're all set to go now. We finished visiting the temple and the sacred sites. Now it's time to head back down. There's a long way down ahead of us. Time to go now. It's so peaceful and serene here. You can see Thimphu city all the way down. So peaceful, so quiet. And the vegetation. Look at these green, high altitude trees. So beautiful and peaceful. Let's look at the temple to Jeddah one more time before we head down. You can see that stupa on the top. We couldn't go there this time, but hopefully next time we can go there. Okay, we've come down and now we're in the temple monastery. Just finished visiting these temples. There were many sacred statues, and it was good to learn about the history and events that took place in the past. Now it's time to head back down. One of the monks said there's about 50 to 60 monks currently studying. Phajoding Buddhist Institute. Look at all those temples. Head down. Yeah. Nice. Karpo, are you going to drop us all the way down? Karpo, you should head back from here. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching and joining us on this very fulfilling hike. See you next time.